Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In order to create the footer menu, the first thing you need to do is go to settings, click on settings, and basically scroll down to the bottom, click on policies, and let's create the legal pages, right? So scroll down a little bit, you can see the refund policy, and by creating click from template, it's going to automatically generate a refund policy for your store. So click on create from template. Obviously, this template is generated by Shopify. You can basically change anything here. So if you don't like damages and issues, you can basically remove it or get it back. So if you remove it, basically right here, you're gonna have to, get it back. And basically you can even replace with a template that you have. So if you have your own template, you can replace this with a template. Now here in the privacy policy, click create from template. Right here on the terms of service, you can click create from template, and the only template that you're not going to be able to generate is with the shipping policy. That one you're going to have to create yourself or have somebody, a lawyer or somebody who's knowledgeable about the law to create it for you. Now here, the contact information, you can click create from template, and it's going to create your contact information based on what you've used to create your Shopify account first in the first place. Click on save right now and close this one down. Let's go ahead to the online store, click on online store. Click on navigation and click on the footer menu, right? So click on footer menu, and basically here you can see that there is a menu item search. Let's delete that and let's add our own menu. So the first link I want to add is pages. The first page I want to add is a contact us page. Click on add, right? And click here, add menu item. Scroll down to the bottom, click on policies, click on contact information. That's the first page. Click add menu item, scroll down to the bottom, click on policies, click privacy policy, click add, and basically click here, scroll down to the bottom, click on policies, click refund policy, and let's add the last policy, which is basically here, the terms of service. There you go. So we have added now our entire footer menu. So right now that the footer menu was completely added, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click online store, and then scroll down, click on customize. Let's go ahead and customize the footer. Now, in order for us to customize the footer for this particular theme, I highly recommend you to stay on this page, scroll down to the bottom. You can see footer over here. So click on footer, activate it, and then click on add block. The first block you want to add is text. And the text we want to add is, click on it, and basically here, change the heading to our mission, right? Our mission. Basically, let's add an emoji of a skyrocket, right? So let's go here, search for a rocket, click, and then let's add the mission text. Now for the mission text that I added for my store over here is this store was created to make it possible for ninjas around the world to become the ninja they always dreamt to be. So here, let's add it right here, click on save. Go back, and then let's go back to the footer, click add another block. This time we're going to add a menu. So you can see that once I clicked add a menu, quick links were added. But I don't want it to display quick links over here. I want it to display legal and contact. So click on that block, and instead of menu or quick links, you want it to display legal and contact. So click on save right now. We are not finished yet because I want to add another block. So the block that I want to add this time on the footer is the logo block. Click on add block, click on image this time, click on that block, select an image, and the image which I want to select is that of the logo. Click on it. You can see that the image is very small. I want to make it wider, so I want to change it and make it centered, right? So click image alignment on large screen, center, click on save. So right now we have taken care of our footer, except for one thing, which is the legal and contact normally should be here on the left hand side. How do we achieve that? Scroll down to the footer, and then take this from its neck and put it on top of our mission, and it's going to change the positions. Click on save. There you go. We have right now edited the footer of our menu. The only thing that's left for us to do is to edit the footer color. So click on the footer, and right here you have all these colors. I want you to click on accent number 2, and let's go ahead and edit the color on accent number 2. First of all, click on Save. Click on Theme Settings, go to Colors, and then select accent number 2. And I want to change this accent number 2 color to a kind of reddish color, right? So let's select a kind of reddish color with some dark. So click on the accent number 2 as well. Let's make it a little bit dark. There you go. Push it to the other side. Make it a little bit more red. So I think this red is good. So I think I'm going to keep it like that. Click on Save. Click on the footer section. Scroll down to the bottom. And then let's add a padding at the top to add some breadth, right? I'm going to make it 60. The bottom padding 60 as well to keep it consistent. And I want to click Save right now. So let's go ahead right now and add some social icons as well. So in order to add the social icons, you want to go and click on your footer and then scroll down to the bottom, click on Theme Settings, and then let's add some social icons. Let's add Twitter, right? So just add a hashtag, or if you have a link, add the link right there. Because I don't have links, I'm just going to continue adding some hashtags just to show you how this will display. So by adding a hashtag, you can see right here that the social icons are displaying, and that's what you want. So let's add a last one, which is a YouTube. Let's go add a YouTube social tag. There you go. Click on Save. So right now that we have taken care of the footer, let's go to the top of the website. Click on here, and I want to change the background color of the heading. So I want you to click and go to the top, click on the header. I want to change the background color to inverse, right? And I want to keep it like this. Click on Save. There you go. And right now, let's go ahead and edit the store itself.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.